The food comes down the esophagus through this little gateway here called the cardiac sphincter and into the stomach. So the stomach is the next organ of digestion, and the stomach is not an alkaline environment, it is an acid environment, and it's very important that it be an acid environment.
Barbara O'Neill is a well-known health expert, recognized for her natural approach to wellness. This topic is especially significant for anyone looking to enhance their digestion. In fact, gut health is vital to overall well-being and affects millions of people. Did you know that more than 70 million Americans suffer from digestive disorders? That's about 25% of the population. As people age, especially after 40, maintaining gut health becomes even more crucial. It affects not just how we digest food, but also our immune system, mood, and energy levels. In this video, we will explore common digestive problems like acid reflux, heartburn, and constipation. Many people misunderstand these issues, especially when it comes to the idea of having an over-acid stomach. So, whether you've been facing gut issues for a while or are just starting to notice changes, stick around. We're diving into the world of gut health, debunking myths, and offering practical, natural solutions you can start using today. Let's get started. The role of the stomach and cardiac sphincter. The stomach is essential for digestion, providing an acidic environment that helps break down food. Barbara O'Neill often points out a common misconception. Many people think their digestive issues are caused by too much stomach acid. However, that isn't always the case. The stomach needs acid to function properly, and the problem often lies in how the acid interacts with other parts of the body. A key player in this process is the cardiac sphincter, a muscle that acts as a gate between the esophagus and the stomach. This muscle is crucial because it keeps stomach acid from moving up into the esophagus. When the cardiac sphincter weakens, stomach acid can back up, leading to acid reflux. This condition can cause discomfort, heartburn, and other complications if not properly managed. Several factors can weaken the cardiac sphincter. One major factor is eating large or late meals, and then lying down soon after. This habit puts extra pressure on the stomach, making it easier for acid to escape. Stress is another important factor. High levels of stress can cause muscle tension throughout the body, including in the cardiac sphincter, which makes it less effective at keeping acid in the stomach. To manage these issues naturally, Barbara recommends following the saying, breakfast like a king, lunch like a queen, and dinner like a pauper. This approach helps reduce pressure on the sphincter by keeping evening meals light. Additionally, using relaxation techniques to manage stress can help prevent the tension that leads to reflux, ensuring the cardiac sphincter works effectively. Hydration and its effect on digestion. Dehydration can significantly impact digestive health, particularly stomach function. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that many people who think they have an overly acidic stomach are actually just dehydrated. When the body lacks enough water, it produces less mucus, which is a vital protective barrier in the stomach. Mucus is made up of 99% water and serves to protect the stomach lining from acid. Water also directly affects digestion, especially when consumed during meals. While staying hydrated is essential, drinking too much water while eating can dilute stomach acid, making it harder for the stomach to digest food properly. This dilution can lead to indigestion and other digestive discomforts. Barbara advises avoiding large amounts of water 30 minutes before meals and up to 1.5 hours after eating to promote better digestion. Meal timing and frequency. Proper meal timing and frequency are crucial for good digestion, according to Barbara O'Neill. The stomach requires 3 to 4 hours to fully digest food, followed by a 1-hour rest period before the next meal. Eating too often can disrupt this process, preventing the digestive system from resting and recovering, which can lead to issues like bloating and indigestion. Barbara also notes that children's digestive systems work similarly to those of adults, meaning they benefit from longer breaks between meals too. Hunger pangs in children are often misunderstood and can result from boredom or dehydration rather than actual hunger. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, and its role in digestion. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, is essential for digestion because it helps break down food and activate important digestive enzymes. When stomach acid levels are too low, it can lead to symptoms like indigestion, bloating, and trouble absorbing nutrients, negatively affecting gut health. Several factors can reduce stomach acid production. As people get older, their bodies naturally produce less HCl, making digestion less efficient. Stress also diverts energy away from digestion, weakening acid production. Additionally, long-term use of medications like antacids and proton pump inhibitors can suppress stomach acid levels, disrupting digestion further. Small intestine and villi. Health. The small intestine is essential for digestion, as it's where most nutrients are absorbed. Lining the small intestine are tiny, finger-like projections called villi, which help with the final stages of digestion. Beneficial bacteria, like Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium, play a significant role in this process. They break down food, release important B vitamins, and help protect the gut lining. Having a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for good digestive health. These helpful bacteria maintain a thick lining in the small intestine, preventing harmful pathogens from entering the bloodstream and keeping the gut barrier strong. Addressing constipation. When it comes to tackling constipation, two key factors are fiber and hydration. Vegetables, especially leafy greens, are rich in fiber, which is vital for maintaining colon health and promoting regular bowel movements. Staying properly hydrated is equally important. It helps ensure the colon doesn't absorb too much water, which can lead to hard stools and constipation. To combat constipation, aim for a high-fiber diet, drink plenty of water, and engage in regular physical activity. Fiber adds bulk to your stools, water helps soften them, and exercise encourages intestinal movement, all contributing to smoother digestion. If you're still struggling with constipation despite these lifestyle changes, some herbs can offer natural relief. Cascara, licorice root, and buckthorn are known for their gentle laxative effects, which can help improve colon function. Making a simple herbal tea from these ingredients can be a natural remedy for constipation. This tea provides a gentle yet effective laxative effect without becoming habit-forming, making it a safe option for long-term digestive support. Improving gut health through lifestyle changes. Improving gut health involves a mix of balanced nutrition, stress management, and lifestyle changes. One critical aspect is maintaining a healthy microbiome, which is the community of beneficial bacteria in the gut that aids digestion, supports immunity, and helps absorb nutrients. Balancing the microbiome. Probiotics are essential for restoring and maintaining gut flora. These live microorganisms, often called good bacteria, are found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kombucha. They help create a balanced gut environment, especially after disruptions from antibiotics, medications, or poor diet. By incorporating probiotics into your daily routine, you ensure that beneficial bacteria outnumber harmful ones, reducing inflammation and improving digestion. Managing stress. Stress can significantly impact gut health, often leading to digestive issues such as bloating, stomach cramps, and irregular bowel movements. Chronic stress can upset the balance of gut bacteria and weaken the digestive system over time. To combat this, it's crucial to manage stress through techniques like yoga, meditation, mindfulness, and regular exercise. Colon, health and proper posture. Barbary O'Neill highlights the importance of colon, health and proper posture. While using the toilet, The traditional sitting position doesn't allow the colon to open fully, which can create unnecessary pressure on the anus, potentially leading to hemorrhoids or difficulties with bowel movements. To address this, using a small stool, like the popular squatty potty, can help mimic a natural squatting position. To improve gut health, focus on sustainable, long-term changes to your diet, lifestyle, and habits rather than quick fixes or relying on medications. Supporting your microbiome with probiotics and prebiotics, managing stress, and being mindful of your posture during bowel movements all contribute to a healthier gut. These holistic approaches can help address common digestive issues like acid reflux, heartburn, bloating, and constipation. Staying properly hydrated, practicing mindful eating, and maintaining a balanced diet are essential for overall gut health. Additionally, using a toilet stool correctly can further enhance your digestive well-being. If you're serious about improving your gut health, it's time to put these natural and practical tips into action.